session will not be about fast report. It will be just about generally reports, generally reporting. So, what does reporting mean in software development? I will talk about evolution of reporting libraries, what do end users and business really expect from reports, and brief comparison of reporting tools for Lazarus and Delphi. Let's start. About evolution of reporting libraries. I think all of you know about such operator as right or right line, the first reporting tool of Pascal. But actually it's not enough. For business, you need something, you need some copy. Just maybe for first time, just printed. Please hands up who have such customers who need some result, some copy. 1, 2, Michaelis? In games? Actually? Sorry? In games? Yes, of course. Excellent. 3 and... Okay. I think some of you remember about dot matrix printer. And yesterday I was impressed about old times, old century printers, keyboards in Salamanca University Library. But after that, after just dot matrix document, customers need some design of these documents. Some maybe WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. After that, next step, graphics, charts, some improvements, some arts in documents, and finally, not only paper, but also some e-documents, some electronic formats. So, all of them are reports. Boarding pass, business card, some badge, tag, check, labels, invoice. And now I have a question for you. You can scan and brief answer to 2 questions. Some interactive. Wake up after lunch. Is it opening? Just 2 questions about formats, about kind of document which you are preparing. And at the end of session, we will compare with our results. Is it opening? All is okay? Or not okay? Does it work? Okay. So let's go and Do you know what is it and who is it? It's Lego. And often I'm asking to imagine developer, modern developer, because we don't know how it could be without object Pascal and VCL. Now we are creating all the applications from some cubes, actually cubes. And when you, as a developer, get in some new project, what are you doing? First of all, you are sitting and starting to select some cubes. First cube is database, place where we'll be keeping all the data, some transactions, some customer data, something, some goods and so on. The second cube is interface. Buttons, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and so on. The third cube is code. Actually, how will the interface work with database? And now answer me. Actually, usual business customer, business user, does it need database, buttons, windows, and so on? Is it necessary for him? What really needs business user? What? Result. Yes. Actually, he needs one big button, solve my problem. It's an ideal interface. And the problem is get result. And result is report. And this cube is report generator. Some black box with magic, which getting data and take you documents, take you information. So, I'd like to make brief review of report generators for Delphi and Lazarus. I will not compare them. Actually, I could talk many times about our reporting, but now I wouldn't make some comparison. The first one, please hands up, who knows about report Smith? Yeah. From Delphi 1, it wasn't native for Delphi. It was really some black box. You could not integrate it to your application in a code, but it works and it still works. I think the oldest report generator for Delphi. And when I prepared this presentation, I visited this website and got news about supporting of Windows 11. So it still runs. Quick report. I think so. Who used quick report? Yeah, much more than one. From Delphi 2, it was very interesting, actually, band-oriented report generator. Unfortunately, now it's not continued, but in many projects still used, and actually not so bad. It's good enough for some projects. Report builder, please hands up. Less than quick report. Report builder, rich and powerful solution since 1996 with end user report designer with set of different objects and actually for today many projects, many people, many software developers are using report builder, and it still lives. Rave reports. Please hands up who used Delphi 7. Yep. I think you can try to use Rave reports by Nevrona, and I don't know about you, but for me it was very hard to use because it's very different, very strange for me by some changed ideology. Maybe it's easy to use for somebody else. I don't know. Maybe please hands up who used Rave reports. Okay. Was it easy or hard or what?
Not that easy.
What? Yeah. Fast report. This year will be 25 years of our company, of our project of fast report for Delphi. And since 2011, it's necessary to say that all of included tools, for example, ReportSmith, Quick Report, Report Builder, Rave Reports, Fast Report, they are not only in Delphi, but they are also commercial, more rich with more featureable things, more featureable editions are available. And maybe main difference of fast report is XML as a standard of templates and reports, and support of Lazarus. Maybe you heard something about free report. Did you hear? Yep. Actually, it's also fast report, but older than current version. Previous generation, at the end of 90s. And about Lazarus, I checked all the Lazarus reporting tools, and actually you can select from Laz report, which is free report but for Lazarus, and commercial fast report. What I recommend to take to attention in your project when you starting, when you selecting reporting tool, report generator. Compare speed and compatibility, and maybe friendlies. How friendly is this reporting tool for developer and for end user in designer? As example is Rave report. How fast you can create template and you can get the result. How big or small is result, because it's not very correct when your project is less than your library, your reporting library, for example. How is it to use? Which formats of reports, which formats of documents you will need or your customers will need. I will show on the next slide as example. Which objects you will need in your report. Also, I will show some examples. Correctness of documents. For example, it could have .pdf, but it may be not clear, not correct PDF. You may check, for example, on trial versions, how correct this tool creating HTML or PDF or some doc formats and so on. Compactness of generated documents. We have example when some company had economy of thousands of dollars every month on cloud keeping of results on documents. Visual report designers for you and for end users, and supporting of your technologies, which you are using in your software, in your project. Which report objects I mean? For example, tables, maps, charts. Not only text. Also barcodes. Because before any projects, check which barcodes, which maybe 2D barcodes you will need or your end user will need. Because it may be great, perfect reporting tool, but without such one object, and it could be a problem for you and for your end user. About document formats. It's about just PDF. Please check and ask your customer which exactly PDF. For example, PDF A, it's standard, government standard of Germany. And PDFX is typographic standard. And this one, PDF 1.5, 1.7, absolutely traditional format, most often used. Office formats, picture formats, and so on. Also check data sources, data processing possibilities of your reporting tool, possibilities if it's necessary for your project web reporting, preview, and reports transportation. I mean email, FTP, cloud, and so on. So it's a result of our customers. As I said at the start, at the 90s, there was only one request, just printing. Now, as you can see, electronic formats, 83%. And now I'd like to check results of Yep, it's interactive results on this whole, on this audience. What exactly do you need in, do your customers need in your projects? Let's see. The most popular is PDF, PDF-A, electronic format. So this is it. I would be like to answer a question. I would like answer your questions. Any questions?